Hi, my name is Yogita and I'm here with some daily vocabulary. Derision, which is a noun, meaning contemptuous ridicule or mockery. Warped, which is an adjective, meaning strange and unpleasant. Fealties, which is a noun, meaning loyalty or dedication to a person, cause, or belief. Wade into, which is a phrasal verb, meaning to enter a fight, a discussion, or an argument in an aggressive or not very sensitive way. Scorn, which is a noun, meaning a feeling and expression of contempt or disdain for someone or something. Derision, which is a noun, meaning contemptuous ridicule or mockery. Warped, which is an adjective, meaning strange and unpleasant. Intransient, which is an adjective, meaning haughty, uncompromising. Synonyms: inflexible, unbending. Antonyms: complaint. Example: her father had tried persuasion but she was intransigent. Convene, which is a verb, meaning bulana or summon. Synonyms: call, order. Antonyms: disperse. Example: he had convened a secret meeting of military personnel. Scandalize, which is a verb, meaning apmanit karna or shock. Synonyms: appall, outrage. Antonyms: impress. Example: their lack of manners scandalized their host. Accredit, which is a verb, meaning manya karna or recognize. Synonyms: license, authorize. Antonyms: ban. Example: institutions that do not meet the standards will not be accredited for teacher training. That's all for today. We'll be back with more vocabulary words. Thank you.